Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to embed a link on Reddit. First, click on Create to create a new post and give your post a title. And in order to embed your link, click on the keyboard your text. So this is it. Click here and then select the text that you want to embed the link in and click right here on this link icon. Now go where you want to copy your link. So let's say I want to copy this channel link, Command C or Control C if you're on Windows, and then click right here on link and Command V or Control V if you are on Windows. Then press save. Now post your post and you should see that you have to select the community, of course, and then click post. Now when you click here, it will open up your link, as you can see. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.